Tropical storm Darby has formed in the Eastern Pacific as of the 11 o'clock advisory. Maximum sustained winds at 60 miles an hour. Max gusts 70 miles an hour. Moving west, location 14.3 degrees north, 146.6 degrees west. And right now, it is located, this max intensity is between probably category 1, category 2. Some models take it towards category 3 strength. But as you could see, there is convection starting to form here. This is looking good on satellite right now, and see you on the next update.